Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix this issue. Let me show you the error. Connect to the internet. You are offline. Check your connection. So if you are facing this issue while opening the YouTube or any other browser, so this video is for you. I will show you step by step how to fix this issue. So step number one, we need to open from three dots here, and then you should able to get here the option history and click on history. And first of all, delete your all browser history. Go to more choice, then click on all time and click all the boxes here. Only leave the password one, rest of the things you can, and then you need to click on delete this data, and this will delete the history from your Google Chrome. And now you need to reload the website and check if it is working or not. If still not working, again go to the same options. Then we need to click on scroll down and look for reset setting. Restore setting to their original defaults, and this setting will restore the default setting on your Windows and will fix your issue. So this is the step number two. If this is also not working, so you need to close this and we need to open the run command from here. Simply type run and open the run command. This is the run. You can also press window plus R button together and type here ncpa.cpl. Press the OK key. And once you have pressed the OK key, you need to go to your connected internet. So this is my internet. You need to right click on the adapter and go to its properties. And you need to choose the option TCP IP. Go to its properties and make sure you need to select obtain an IP automatically, obtain server DNS automatically here. Once you click on this option, apply OK. And I have already this setting, so you need to again relaunch the Google Chrome and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, again open your network card, go to properties and choose the DNS here 8.8.8.8, and in the alternative section 8.8.4.4, and press here OK key. Then you need to close this, and now you need to open and see if you are able to fix this issue or not. This time I'm getting this site can't be reached error, but you need to check that and see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, go to same here, open TCP IP version 6 this time, and make sure this setting is selected here. Obtain an IP automatically, obtain DNS automatically. Then click on apply, click on OK, and just disable your card once. And once you disable it, re-enable it once and see if you are able to fix this issue or not. If you are still not able to fix this issue, so what you can do is you can open the control panel, go to large icons here by category wise. You need to select this option here, internet options. And once you see this option, you need to click on advanced options and you need to click on restore setting, apply, OK, and see if that is loading or not. If still not loading, again open this internet options, advanced options, go to there, then go to connections and click on LAN settings. And if any manual proxy is selected here, you need to untick this option. Automatically data setting is selected, should be this option, apply. Go to security option, reset all zones to default setting. Just select that option, then click on apply and then click on OK. And now reload the website and see that is working fine for me, and it is loading now. If this option is also unable to fix your issue, so what you can do is you can reset your network card. On the search you need to type a reset network, or you can select network reset and open the network reset settings. Then you need to click on reset now, then click on yes. And your PC will be restarted after some time, or you can manually restart your PC after that, and your issue will be fixed. Now I have restarted my Windows. You also have to restart your Windows after resetting the network. And now check back if you are able to fix this issue or not. So after applying these methods, guys, your issue should fix. If you're still not able to fix that issue, then you can check from your router end. You can reboot your router or check with another hotspot if that is working for you or not. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.